What is up, guys? Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos and wine pronunciation videos in particular. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this wine country, this wine region of California that is so famous for producing some delicious red wines, in particular the Zinfandels, the Cabernet Sauvignons, the Merlots, and many more. And we are looking at how to pronounce this. I just wanted to clarify this because I have heard some people pronounce this Paso Robles, which I guess kind of makes sense in English or in American, but obviously, as you know, in California, many names of places and cities were given by the Spanish when they were occupying, or when California was Spanish, just like Los Angeles, San Francisco, and, you know, San Pablo Bay, everything else really in California. So Paso Robles is a Spanish term, Paso being Spanish for path or the way, and Robles meaning the oak trees, which is kind of the emblem of the area of Paso Robles. So Paso Robles essentially translates into the way of the oak trees, or the path of the oak trees, because there are so many oak trees in the area. So Spanish pronunciation would be Paso Robles, but obviously in English or American you have to say Paso Robles, Paso Robles, Paso Robles. In Spanish again it would be Paso Robles, but it'd be fine to say Paso Robles, as long as you do not say Paso Robles. Yeah, Paso Robles does sound quite terrible. Just wanted to clarify this briefly, and I hope this is useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao.